Hey everybody, this right here, this is my client Richard Brown here in Bradenton, Florida.
Great dent guy, by the way.
Thank you, buddy.
He's doing a nice job.
But Richard is, let me show you real quick what he invented. If you can see up there on top of his Jeep.
Okay, the Freedom Top.
This is called the Ultimate Freedom Top. Easy, ultimatefreedomtop.com, so easyuff.com. Check out what he made for these new Jeeps. So if you have a Jeep and you're tired of carrying these things around, you can just flip them up on top, kind of like a convertible. And he's got a patent pending on this right now, and the U.S. patent. And there you go. And it just
you're done.
Snaps in place. You're done. You got, it's like a convertible. It's like a soft top. It's amazing. Richard, I just gotta say, this is so awesome, and you know, I hope that Jeep decides to buy this from you for multi-million dollars.
Now, if the weather changes, you're done.
Boom, you're in. All right, I gotta get back to fixing his car. See ya. Easy, yeah, so again, it's easyuft.com. Richard Brown, this is the man right here. He made it. See you later, bye.
Thank you.